guys, hello again. This is Lisa Vlog Switzerland. We are here, the mountain of Mürren, the famous mountain in Switzerland. You know guys, Mürren is a Swiss mountain village at the foot of the Shelton Peak, which is accessible by cable car. It's very high and featured in a James Bond film a long time ago. The Peace Gloria revolving restaurant contains the Bond World 007 exhibit and has
Which
view
one?
of Mont Blanc. Muri is near in Lauterbrunnen Valley, which is subterranean glacial uh, Jumelbach Falls. It's a waterfalls
But it's not
inside in the
slippery, Win.
mountain. It's team trails on the
Huh?
Almond Hovel Peak.
Oh.
It's the very famous
Okay na.
view up to the Mürren and include the flower panorama and the north face of Fat. So guys, let's go and enjoy watching around the mountain of Mürren. And thank you very much for always watching my channel. Here we are.
Ay, Pokemon ko. Sige no. Oh, look at this. Maybe yesterday.
Well, guys, did you enjoy Mürren? Yes, it's beautiful, right? Mürren is also a former settlement of people from the Lucian Valley in the Valais, which still remains recognizable today from the design of the houses, the old houses, and the historical houses, and pronunciation of Mürren umlaut dialect is the highest continually
Yeah.
inhabitants village resettlement in the canton of Bern and lies on Terrace at
Yeah.
1650 years and meters high above the Lauterbrunnen Valley. And then you can see the Lauterbrunnen downstairs. Very nice valley downstairs. And have a double cable roof way leads up onto the plateau from Lauterbrunnen. Oh, you is very, very scary. But I don't know. But I saw a lot of people enjoying the cable. And then the cable is run from the Stichilberg past turbulent waterfalls and tragic rock faces. Oh yes, you can see the rock mountain. This is my sister. So we're enjoying here a lot. She's came from Dubai and just to visit me here
Careful,
and
Win, huh?
she's very happy. And the center of is the center of the car-free village of
It's okay,
Mürren,
honey. Go, go.
and further to the Shiltorn
Just 13
going up at 2,970 meters.
No, it's okay, hon, because I
Yeah,
put it in
and
the
it's
movie.
too high. So we are here only
Yeah, we're
at the
going there
middle of
with.
Mürren. So guys, enjoy watching a lot of places here, and then the mountain surroundings, the snow, and um, and then the houses roof a lot of snow right now because it's a winter. So the film became a great success. The Shiltorn cableway and the revolving restaurant equally so. Okay, guys, it's surrounding the mountain of Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau, reaching right to the Mont Blanc and into the Black Forest. So, guys, it's winter here. Let's go and enjoy watching my channel.
There's the sun in
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. And I have to have a growth. picture.